feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Manny.
And it's your girl Renee.
Alright guys, so to the video, back again with another video, guys.
Yes, guys. So the video today that we're gonna be doing is I'll be driving Manny's car for the first time, guys.
Yes, guys.
For the first time. So I mean, I have my license and everything, guys.
That's
but
true.
It's just the first time I'll be driving it. So I mean, stay tuned for the video. We'll be making stops. We'll be definitely getting breakfast.
Yep.
We'll be making stops. You'll be seeing how I drive, guys. Guys, do not judge me on how I drive, okay? I have not drive in a while. Okay? So if I make a left turn and put on the right signal, guys, just know, guys. Just know she definitely haven't been practicing, okay?
Alright guys, I just want to just come in a little bit. So she drove my car before, but like it's been a very long time now. And now she said she want to drive my car. I'm like, why not? I can just bring the family, you know what I'm saying?
Yes,
so you guys come with us.
Family along.
That's true.
Let's bring our family along on this little trip.
Alright guys, we're gonna see you guys when we get down to breakfast. So just stay tuned, guys. You said what?
It will get better, guys. It will get better.
That's true. Going straight. Wait, the IHOP going there, that's the one on 130? There's some people that want to come down here. So you see what the yo son, you gotta make sure. Go, get gas. Get gas. Don't change me yet. Changing me out very fast because while you're trying to get that, you know, you're trying to get ahead of someone, right? As long as you put a single step on gas, you don't change. You don't get from that song, take your time, then they're gonna hit you from the back. You're trying to change your lanes. You know, you're turning your single and step on the gas. If they wanna die, you ain't trying to get ahead of that person.
I'm in my lane, right?
You said what?
I'm in my lane, right?
I don't know, you driving, right? You should know your lane. Low rear bottom wall.
It's not moving. It's just
know this car can drive by itself.
I don't want it to drive by itself. I want to drive.
Alright.
We're not good speed. It says 50 on here. I'm going 51.
What's speeding?
I'm speeding.
I'm just playing.
Those people are speeding.
So if you take the exit like Parkway Avenue, they're gonna take you to your way.
I know. That's why I'm gonna take it.
Just a sharp turn. The sharp turn already.
It's a sharp turn for me, babe.
All you got is down for now. We're gonna take the deep one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see how you on the park. Carla, come on, go now. Stupid.
I didn't park it. I know.
You have a very speaking Toyota Camry now. Go away. It's not funny. Go away, Verna. Try getting up. You close to that person's car.
It doesn't matter. I'm in the line.
Just now you know I'll open your door and say,
I'm in the line. I'm in the line.
I'm staying in the middle. Anyway.
What's good, guys? So I just finished driving, guys. It was nerve-wracking. I was nervous, but I make it, and we make it to IHOP, guys. So we gonna have breakfast in IHOP. So when we leave, y'all gonna see me driving back home. So stay tuned, guys. Peace. So guys, this is the end of the video. We just reached home.
Yep.
Now I parked, guys. My parking is spectacular. Nobody had to help me.
That's
But
true.
whatever. So guys, we just got home. We just reached back home, and we're in one piece. Like, we didn't die.
What are you
In
talking
the
about
name
death
of
for?
Jesus,
It meant through
we
that.
did not die. We didn't.
What are you talking about
Thank you.
death? Yo, I don't know what you're talking about death. Oh man.
But
I'm
because, guys, I was nervous driving because I haven't drive so long, and these people drive so crazy. Like over here in Jersey, especially the area that we're at, I drove in Trenton, guys. If y'all heard about Trenton, y'all know what I'm talking about.
You live in Hamilton.
But we drove to Trenton.
Oh, that's true.
We drove there, and like, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It was horrible, but we reached back in one piece. My turnings weren't that good, but I would try, and I would get better, guys.
That's true.
So, you wanna help?
Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. So guys, that's being said, yo.
Peace.
Peace out, guys.